guys, today we will be unboxing 2 Dior unboxing. I recently got these from the Dior website itself because they were out of my size at a store in Nordstrom that I usually go to, and I decided to order them online. And it's very special because they're the same item, but different variations of each other. You will get to see both of them today, and they're a special limited edition item that have only come out this season. And without further ado, let's get into it. This is a packing slip. I'm just gonna discard that. Receipts and stuff like that I bought from Dior before, and that's usually what they have. Let's start with this one now, shall we? Dust bags, along with care instructions and this little envelope in the dust bag. Just put that off to the side. And it is... ta-da! The new Christian Dior Slingback pumps in the houndstooth pattern. And these are so interesting looking. They're so graphic. The black and white is just so punchy. When I first saw these online, the only thing I could think of was cows. Because the print is black and white like a cow's hide. And that's all I could see whenever I looked at these. And I still kind of do sometimes. But they have that unique sort of curved in kitten heel. And that they're a size 34.5, which they don't really carry in some of the Nordstrom boutiques around me and department stores. I have small feet. And they also have that signature Christian Dior star on them. And as well, this is cotton that has been embroidered with the Dior words on here. J'adior, which is kind of a play on words of j'adore, which in French means I love or I like, and Dior. So I love Dior. Basically is the play on words there. J'adore versus J'adior. Similar in sound, but their own cute little spin on that. I will be showing you guys in a minute how these look and trying them on, as well as some of my first impressions. The back here is like leather, and this is like a very smooth, fine leather. And this is all cotton embroidery up here. Little piece of elastic there. And the unique thing about these is that they have this black outline on the limited edition ones. The regular ones are all white on here with J'adior in black. Now let's look at our second item, shall we? What do you guys think it will be? Leave me down your thoughts in the comments down below. And they are these. I saw these and I thought they could either look really old lady-ish on me, or they could look pretty cool and interesting. These are actually a navy blue, so something a little bit different than your regular pop of black, which I love a little bit of color. I'm sure most people do. These just look so interesting to me that I was somehow drawn to them, and I just thought I had to see them in person and try them on for myself to see if I actually wanted to keep them. But the thread on here is also stitched in navy blue, like the embroidery itself, and I think the leather may be black. I can't tell. But it's the same as the houndstooth in terms of fabric up here, and then leather for the back heel and on the bottom of the soles. The thing that's important with these is that you want to protect the sole because it's such a thin leather piece that they just attach to the bottom of these shoes. So I suggest that you get some leather rubber grips sole thingies to the bottom of your heels to protect them and make them last longer. Because these are expensive shoes, so you want to keep them around for a while if you love them. And that's what we do when we buy luxury. We buy things that we enjoy, and we expect them to be good quality. So we want to make them last. So you can see on here, there's little flower motifs and like floral motifs, botanical motifs, flowers over here, leaves, like fern fronds and such. Quite beautiful. There's also a scalloped hem here, as well as on the houndstooth. Just from first impressions of this houndstooth Christian Dior item, I'm actually very happy with it. Even up to like the minor details, such as the elastic here. You don't actually see the elastic, even though this white part may actually look like elastic. It's actually leather wrapped around the elastic and sewn at the back with a seam here to show no actual elastic, but it's actually a white leather material that covers the elastic in that area. And I forgot to mention this when I first unboxed it, but it actually comes with a little Christian Dior star. I will actually be putting it probably on my Christmas tree. There you go, a little Christmas tree star ornament from Christian Dior. Oh, that's awfully shiny. Oh, look at that. Like the Chanel shoes that I unboxed, these also have a serial number in gold numbers and letters painted in the inside of the shoe itself as well. As this being a cotton fabric with little scalloped edges around the top of it. You can see there. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, then please be a star, haha, and go down and like and subscribe to get more weekly videos like this, because if you love pure style and analysis videos as much as we do here, aka CSA, then go down and subscribe and turn on the bell to get your weekly CSA PSA hot off the press weekly. I hope you guys have a good day or evening wherever you are. Until our next one, bye!